Hi guys! Good afternoon! Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new in my channel, this is Angel May, Bisaya-American. For today's vlog guys, I'm gonna do unboxing. I got this ring light, a Christmas gift from my husband. Let's gonna open this guys. So this ring lights is F537 ring light. 3 lighting colors, adjustable brightness, USB power supply, and 2 phone holders. Oops, I'm not gonna break it. So this one here, guys, this is phone holder, and then another phone holder. So I need a new ring light guys for my vlogging. So this is a package. Let's open what's inside. So I got this one here, pouch over here. I got brochures. I think I need to assemble. Yeah. This is manual how to assemble. Okay. So it came from the plastic. Alright. This is phone holder. One of the phone holder. And there's another pouch. There's a bag. It's easy to carry. It's easy to carry on your shoulder. And see this guys. Base. Like this, I guess. That's one of it. And then we'll see what's inside. I think this is the ring lights. Yes. This is the ring lights, guys. There you go. And there the switch on and off. Phone holder here already. You can take it up also guys. I'll show you. See, you can charge it. So removable. This is more sturdy than my old one. My old one only one stand, one holder for cell phone. But this one, guys, is two holder cell phones. So that is more sturdy, guys. So I need to assemble. This is for the lock. Okay, I got that one here. And then they have also a remote control. And what I got over here, this is for the how to connect your USB. This is the other one that holds the other phone holder, guys. So I have to figure out how to assemble the ring lights. Okay, let me see what kind. I read for you guys. It written with Chinese. And there is also English instruction. This is 27 cm ring light plus the phone clip. And then I got a turnbuckle. I got 160 cm tripod. 73 cm high angle shot rod. I have pantel, phone clip, and a manual. It rotates 360 rotating, guys, inches. Okay, guys, let's go. We're gonna assemble this, guys. Okay, we'll start from the base. I have to figure out how to assemble this. This is the box. So if you're interested with this type of ring light, this is the model. F537 ring light. Yan siya, guys. So i-assemble na natin siya. Tingnan natin. We will figure out how to assemble this. That's the base. Okay. Just keep going. It go back. It go down. There you go. So there's 3 slots. The other one is, there you go. Okay, we'll just go ahead and put the ring light first. We'll just look here. Okay. Just a little bit down so that you can see what's going on. There you go. Then this ring light here. Just put in the ground. The base also, it go flat. I'll show you guys. See? Flat. Okay, put the ring lights. Skip. Oh, okay. There you go. Then there's a screw here to lock the. So there's a screw to lock. Show you. Let me go. Let's go lock first. Okay, and then make it tight here in this side here. Make it tight. one done. Okay, the second phone holder, guys, there's two purpose for this device. This one over here for this cell phone here holder is designed to focus close up direct to the object, so you can move either way, guys. Okay, you just unscrew. Okay, and put this one in this area here. And then lock. There you go. And this is really good because it's rotate 360 degree. So you can move up and down. Just put this phone holder. Okay. Lock. So you can do your phone horizontal or vertical, guys. It expands. Pretty good. And pretty sturdy. There you go. We'll see if the light's working. Okay, we'll connect this to the USB. Got laptop beside me. I'm gonna connect this. See what's gonna happen. Okay, already connect. Let's see if it's working, guys. Turn on. Voila! You can adjust also. Let's see. There's 3 color, guys. 1, 2, 3. And there also a plus and a minus. So if you want more brighter, you just press the plus sign. See, like this one. So everything's worked, guys. And so I hope you like this ring light, guys. And extended. There's 3 slot here. You can go longer or whatever you want, and it's go flat or there you go. See, yep. So I have more gadget to use when I do my video, guys. If you like this video, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share if you have question. And thank you for watching. Until next time. And by the way, if you're new in my channel, this is Angel May, Bisaya-American. Bye-bye! Adios! Adto na ko!